Hey, welcome to ArtCo Drones and Entertainment Channel. Welcome to my channel. I've made a few changes. I've expanded it, not only just drones, but I'm doing some other content too, more entertainment, to broaden my audience out there, and hopefully you'll enjoy it too. Today I'm going to talk to you about how I use OnlyFans to grow my channel. You're probably wondering, Art, you don't have an OnlyFans channel. At least I hope you don't. No, I don't. This all started by accident a couple years ago when I expanded this channel and started to do more entertainment by doing commentary on other videos, sort of like what Nigel Ning did with his character Uncle Roger. So I used that idea to make comments on some of these videos of these scantily cladded women, or sexy looking women, who have OnlyFans pages. So I started off with Mary Burke. And if you don't know who Mary Burke is, she has a farm in Alabama and wears overalls, and that's just it. And so I started making comments on her videos using a character that I developed a couple years ago, where I say, "Yeehaw, that Mary Burke," and off it went. I started getting up over 1,000 views on my videos. And I thought, wow, I think I hit on to something that is very important, or at least works out for me. And then I started working with the other OnlyFans channels like Coco Star, the How To Nurse. She's the veterinarian nurse, very pretty. And the latest one is Bianca. Naturally Bianca is her channel. And I started doing commentary on their videos. And I just did a video back in, oh God, around July 4th. And here it is, Labor Day. And I did this video with the How To Nurse. That video's gotten over 30,000 views on it. And my channel has been growing like crazy from that. And not only that, but I did one with the Coco Star. And this is the one with, they're wearing Girl Scouts uniforms. Anyway, I did that video a little over a year ago. And it got a slow progression. Then all of a sudden, it just started taking off. And right now, it's over 9K. And I'm like, oh, wow, I think I stumbled onto something. And my channel has grown over 1,000 subscribers in the past year. And those videos have helped. And I do have a how-to video on how to unbind your DJI drone from a third party, and that one's gotten over 10K, and that's my let's see, that's my second highest viewed video right now. And I've got a few others that have gotten over 2,000 or 3,000 views on them. So I've got quite a few, and so I am going to talk to you. I will show you some of the graphs of the growth that I've gotten. So sit back and we'll get back to those. Here's one of the graphs showing a fluctuation and growth. And in this one, a steep rise and then a slow taper. And another one, this one's Coco Star one that has slowly taking off, and boom. And that one shows you another rise on that one. And this one's of the How to Smart Nurse. Hey, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed that content, please subscribe by clicking on the icon in the lower right hand corner, and please remember to ring that bell so you'll be notified when my next video is uploaded. And also, I do a live stream on Saturdays. We talk about drones and we talk about other stuff too, but I do giveaways on that live stream, so come on down, check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. We have a panel of guests. We talk about everything. Come on down. And oh, I've got a drone giveaway coming up on September 21st. So if you want to win that drone, you got to be a subscriber and be at the live stream. So you'll get I will give you the hashtag code that you can put in the chat, and maybe you could be a winner. And this is only for people that live in the United States, because shipping is very expensive. And but if you have friends that live in the United States and you happen to live in Canada or Australia, wherever, and you win this little mini drone that I'm giving away, you could gift it to a friend in the United States. Just give me their address and I'll ship it out to them. Or give it to someone else that's on, in the live stream, one of the other channels. Give it away to them. So, thanks for watching, and remember, keep them flying.